In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from PayPal to your bank account. Some of these apps change their interface and make it more difficult to withdraw because they want you to keep your money here on the app and use the features within the app. Like this debit card, 5% cash back, crypto, pay later, PayPal savings, all this stuff to keep you on the app and keep you engaged. But sometimes you don't want that, you just want to withdraw your money. So what you need to do, if you have money on PayPal, you want to send it to your bank, is tap PayPal balance. Just tap this big square at the top. Now previously the transfer buttons were right here or right on the home screen there, but now you need to scroll down here and tap this smaller transfer button under more options. So this is going to transfer from your PayPal balance, and you can tap where you want to transfer that to. I'm going to tap transfer to bank. I don't want to do transfer within minutes because that will give me a fee. So you can select your bank there. If I want to do this almost instantly, I could pay a $20 fee, but that's kind of dumb. I want to transfer my whole balance, $1,164. If I only wanted to transfer some, I could tap that edit button next to the money at the top. But I'm going to do 1 to 3 days. There's going to be no fee for this transfer, and tap the transfer button. Your $1,164 is on its way. Tap done. Scroll back up there, see my balance is 0. My balance is now 0 on the home screen as well. And that money's on its way to my bank and it'll show up within a few days. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.